YouTubers. This is Latts. I want to show you a new view I have ready for TV shows. It's called KodiFlixTV. It's very similar to the KodiFlix View that I have available for movies. These both came from the Mad Knox skin, and it's taken me a while to get this TV view ready, but I think I've got it ready to go. We're going to get into it and take a look at it. So you can see very similar to your KodiFlix movies. You have the season up in the top. You can turn on the logo to show the TV show name there. You see instead of font, you can turn on. These are all of these settings here are dedicated just to KodiFlixTV, but they have some similar options that KodiFlix has too, as showing the logo is one. You have multiple views for KodiFlixTV, just like KodiFlix. This is the default view. You can also go to posters, box sets, which is very similar to sets from movies, from the KodiFlix movie view, and then TV art, which moves your poster view, slides it up and to the right a little bit, and then it displays all of your TV show artwork. You see over on the right, you have the banner, your clear art. Over on the left, that this picture of them all three is it's called a character art, and I was not even aware that Kodi displayed this. I don't have character art for any of my other TV shows. I just happened to see this in the code and realized that you have this option. And what it is it's a PNG file. Just you call it character.png. It's very similar to your clear art. I'll click on that there and enlarge it. You see that's a picture that I found of the Three Stooges, kind of similar to a like I said, a clear art view. But if you find something like that, a transparent image of your TV show, you call it character.png, and KodiFlixTV will display that instead of your landscape image. If you don't have any character art for your TV show, it will display your landscape image. And I'll show you an example of that. If we go over Stranger Things, you see there, Stranger Things, I don't have character art for that, so it just displays the landscape image, but Three Stooges shows the character art. And then right above your character art, you have a scrolling list of the actors in the show. It will highlight, you see, it'll enlarge their image to the left when it gets to them, and then show their name and then their character name as well. Of course, the Three Stooges are the same either way. If we go to Stranger Things, you see there that has the actor's name and then the character's name underneath. So kind of a cool option there. You see down at the bottom and to the right, it shows you on each TV show how many seasons, episodes, and then how many of those episodes are unwatched. And then of course you have your some of your media flags there to the left of that. That shows the studio and the MPAA rating. And then if we go into the TV show, you have your seasons. I downloaded posters for all of the seasons that I have, so it will display that. And then if you go into your seasons, it will show episodes with a little screenshot of each episode. And then underneath that, you can't really see that very well with the picture that's there, but it shows a little synopsis of each episode. And then of course over to the left, underneath the logo, you get the title of that episode, the date that it aired, the runtime, and then we have, like KodiFlix movie view, you have the stars, the rating stars there, and then to the right of that, you have the year that that episode premiered. You also on this view you can switch art, and what that does, it just flip flops. We'll click on it and show you. So everything just flip flops. You move the banner over to the left, and then the clear art and the actors go over to the right. It looks like the clear art does not display on that side. It looks like it went away on both of them. Oh, that's because we're on a. There we go. We're on episodes. If you go back to seasons, and then you switch art there, but it flip flops. You see the clear art switch as well, and then of course that changes the information down at the bottom right. It shows season 1. I have 4 episodes in there, and I have 4 unwatched, so that will show as well. You see that change on each season. So let's go back to the default view. You have the option to turn off the floor. You see that goes away at the bottom, just like KodiFlix for movies. The hide info, that will do very similar action to KodiFlix for movies. Takes away the plot and some of that information, and then slides the logo down. Center list does the same thing that KodiFlix movies does. Short list does the same thing, cuts it down to just a few. We'll turn both of those off. Nope. And then we'll go back out of here. You see this no fan art for all seasons. That, apparently from what I've read in the forum, that's a problem still with not showing a fan art. You can have a picture, I believe, if you call it seasons. I don't know that I have one. No, I don't have one. But I think you seasons dash all. I can't remember the image name, but if you have one, it's supposed to show there instead of saying no fan art there. But I can't get it to work, and I believe it's still a bug with Krypton that it does not show that. But we'll go back to the TV show listing, and you see I have the animated focus surround that works just like KodiFlix movies. You can remove that, and you can hide the background panel. That's another little option, just like KodiFlix movies. The thumbnail info, that is new for KodiFlixTV. If you turn that on, it will show how many episodes are in that, are inside that TV show folder. If you click on the TV show and go to your seasons list, you see it shows a little short abbreviation for season 1 and all of your seasons, and then it shows the season and episode number when you're on your episodes view. So it's a little extra eye candy you can use there. Excuse me. If you change your view to posters, you can turn on the center focus. Does the same thing that the KodiFlix movies view does. Puts you on the center focus. So we'll turn that off. We'll change the view to box sets. For your box sets view, you have something very similar. If you go to your box set cases, you can turn that on. Has a set delay and your extra seasons. And I'll show you something pretty cool here once that expands the list. So it will show up to 11 cases. So you see I downloaded the first 11 season posters there for the Three Stooges, and you also see it behaves just like the KodiFlix movie view, your animated or your regular focus surround. It will fade away when the case is open, and then it will come back when the cases close again. So to get these season posters like I did, you need to download the posters, and each one needs to be named just like this at the bottom of my directory here, you see, so season 1 is season01-poster.jpg. And I click on that, and you can see that's season 1. So if you want to display the posters like that for box sets, you need to download a poster for each one and save them. Don't save them inside the season. You see, it's out under TV shows, not on each season. So save all 11 if you have 11 seasons of a show. It will display up to 11. So you can download those, name them just like that, and they will display out there for you. This also has a center focus option for your box sets, and then you also have the extra zoom focus, just like KodiFlix movies. It zooms in there a little more. And I believe that is, oh, you have the alphabet scroll bar at the bottom where you can choose, scroll through just like KodiFlix movies, and then you have your regular scroll by your page by page view that you can use. I think that is all the options I have. You have that plot full or outline, just like KodiFlix movies, like I talked about, where you can add your own maybe extended plot, whatever. I'm not sure what you can put in there on the outline. I just leave that as plot full to show the regular plot. But I believe that is everything that I have to show. Let me double check this. Yeah, we went through the TV art view. You can turn off the cast. There's a show cast button. Forgot about that. And the banner, if you don't want the banner to display, you can turn both of those off, and all you see is the character art and the clear art. So, and I did add the animated and the regular focus surround. You can see that with the TV art view layout. It didn't have that in there, but I added support for that, so it would show up there as well. And we have got some more changes to the multi-mod. I'm kind of consolidating the skin settings page to make it a little easier to use. One new option that will be included with this next update, I got rid, you see the menu bar selector is gone from the main menu over here to the left. I moved it into the main menu appearance settings, and so now there's a little change that you're going to have to do to your settings file. I'll include that info in the next update. But now there was a little bug with the way it was before. If you turned on menu in vertical mode and you had one of the horizontal menu bars chosen, it didn't automatically switch over to your vertical menu bars. You had to go over to your menu bar list and choose one of the vertical. But now with this new option, this is fixed. So you'll see I have the Star Wars vertical menu bar enabled right now. Also, a little eye candy down at the bottom. This is a preview of what your main menu will look like. This will be new for the update as well. And you see something that I haven't discussed yet either, the glowing font. That's another option I have for your font glow. It's a pulsing font glow option there. You can turn that off or turn that on. So whatever glow color, if you have the glow enabled, it will pulse, kind of like the neon menu bar. But getting back to the menu bar, so if I turn that vertical mode off, you see it will automatically switch back to your horizontal menu bar, and the last one I had chosen was neon, so that's what it displays. And you see the pulsing glow on your font moves down. So all of the options that you had, you see the weather on the left, bottom left, and then the time on the bottom right. It shows the shadow font, and it will show the glow. If you turn on glow for your titles, that will show as well. So all of the options that are on your main menu, I incorporated that into the preview here. That was not available before, but I felt that it needed to needed to be on there. So now you can switch back and forth. So you just kind of like switching your font selector, choosing your font. You can do your menu bars the exact same way. So if you turn that off, and then you see switching through your horizontal menu bars as well. Alright, I hope to have this next update available soon. This KodiFlixTV was the part that I was working on that took so much time to get this. I've had these other fixes ready, but now that I've got this, I'll get the video posted, and we'll get the update. I'll get the update out on the Kodi forum as soon as I can. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any problems with this, find any bugs, let me know. Post on the forum, post here on the YouTube comments down below. Other than that, have a good evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.